Tips and tricks for generating great leads. If you have wanted to find out more ways to get leads for your business, then this video will help you. No matter what you already know, more ways to get leads and new customers is always a good idea for you. So, continue watching to gain some helpful advice towards your endeavors. If you are a user or digital advertising methods, produce landing pages meant for your desired audience. Landing pages for specific ads are better than linking to the main website. They are receiving the information that they wanted from you. Try tying that into a contact form for a great lead generation method. Look into pay-per-click campaigns to generate leads. The first place most people go to seek business opportunity is Google. If you aren't on page 1 organically for the typical search terms they use, then you need to pay to be there. You only are charged if people click the ads, so it's an excellent way to simply build brand awareness as well. Open up your business to the world. There are events such as Doors Open at which businesses allow customers to come in and see how they work. Even if you're an architect or real estate agent, you can let potential customers in to see how organized and authentic you really are, which can generate leads. Find some way to rate your potential leads. Not all leads are created equal, so before you start generating them, know how you'll grade them. Otherwise, you can find yourself overloaded with potential leads with no way to decipher which ones are worth your time. It's a critical step to help you be efficient. The ideas presented will help you determine a better plan for generating leads for your business. If you can't get new leads, then your business can't grow, even if you retain your old customer base at 100%. So, it's imperative that you follow the directions given to keep growing your business. Student loan.